In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on ILV future while examining the Illuvium cost estimate for 2022 and past in a sort of enormous manner. If it's not too much trouble, for the most part, remember that you ought to generally think about this and any very other expectation while taking other factors into consideration, since anticipating anything explicitly is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Illuvium. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig exceptionally profound into the Illuvium value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that ILV especially is an essentially wise venture or not. For what reason will ILV really succeed or generally come up short, or for what reason will Illuvium value rise or drop? We should rapidly by and large toss a look at what ILV sort of is and its to-date history. ILV value expectation for the exceptionally next 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable generally bear market, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin especially has sort of drooped half from its record-breaking genuinely high in the midst of the more extensive market explicitly drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments, which really is genuinely critical. Financial backers for the most part are selling hazardous resources and moving into commonly more essentially stable business sectors. Crypto truly is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous explicitly play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some sort of green in 2022, particularly in the especially second piece of the year, which is genuinely critical. This explicitly is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin in every practical sense necessitates to find a fundamentally nearby base before we can move in the truly inverse course and certainly alter the course, which is genuinely critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will essentially begin to do likewise. We by and large have seen this situation many times in the separated and kind of later history. Our cost expectation model truly is negative for the really next 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and truly other basically greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each task, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. Essentials that we generally assess for the most part are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative fundamentally potential, and a few truly other in every practical sense, restrictive elements created in our crypto lab, or so they certainly thought. 2022 1013 in an unpretentious manner. 0.88% $56 58 2022 1014, which essentially is genuinely critical. 0.28% $56 93 2022 1015 incredibly. 2.93% $55 41 2022 1016, which basically is very critical. 3.70% $54 97 2022 1017, 3.31% $55 20 2022 1018 incredibly. 4.42% $54 56 2022 1019, 4.83% $54 33 2022 1020, plus 2.89% $58 74 2022 1021 incredibly. 0.33% $56 90 2022 1022, which generally is very huge, plus 1.22% $57 78 2022 1023. 4.55% $54.48 Illuvium value expectation 2022. Most of specialists essentially concur that this sort of bear market will especially endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022 preceding. We really see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions in an unpretentious manner. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be, which is very huge. Beneath in every practical sense is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 NAV. 14.77% $48.65 2022 DEC. 34.78% $37.23 2023 Jan in a by and large enormous manner. 18.12% $46.74 2023 Feb in a kind of significant manner. 9.95% $51.40 2023 Blemish. 1.59% $56.17 2023 APRA in a sort of significant manner. 0.02% $57.07 2023 May in an unobtrusive manner. plus 11.52% $63.66 2023 J, plus 12.44% $64.19 2023 J, which sort of is genuinely critical, plus 16.97% $66.77 2023 AUG in an unobtrusive manner, plus 32.84% $75.83 2023 Z, plus 30.44% $74.46 2023 AUG, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge, plus 42.50% $81.34 ILV value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees ILV coming to $144.14 in 2025, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. What will ILV explicitly be exceptionally worth in 5 years? The cost of ILV in 5 years could really lie around $124.46. Illuvium value expectation 2030 to 2040 in a significant manner. What Illuvium will generally be somewhat worth in 2030, which generally is genuinely huge. Our gauging model sees Illuvium coming to $360.34 in 2030 in an extremely significant manner. What Illuvium will explicitly be essentially worth in 2040, which is very huge. Our gauging model sees Illuvium coming to $720.69 in 2040, or so they in a real sense thought. Will Illuvium basically supplant, outperform, explicitly surpass Bitcoin in an extremely significant manner? No, Illuvium won't generally supplant or basically overwhelm BTC in an unpretentious manner. Is Illuvium fundamentally worth purchasing amazingly? We really are promoters of decently hazardous money management. Explicitly put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of genuinely enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with tremendous potential gain, which generally is very critical. Along these lines, in this unique circumstance, Illuvium is most certainly worth purchasing. Is Illuvium a genuinely wise interest in an especially large manner? Illuvium is, very much like all really other digital currencies, a dangerous speculation, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. It really does in a real sense have higher likelihood of going up than down due to the very great use case, very much planned tokenomics, sort of dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. How much will Illuvium basically be worth? Which most certainly is very huge. For the transient future, it could reach $35.96. In the genuinely long haul, it could leap to $360.34 or significantly higher in a significant manner. For what reason will Illuvium succeed and basically get more expensive? Or so they really thought. Illuvium truly has a very decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, kind of dynamic local area, and a very strong group behind it, which is very huge. These truly are an essential for progress. And that in a real sense is the reason our expectation model sees Illuvium ascending to $360.34 in 2030, which for the most part is very huge. Crypto projects really come up short in light of